Hey everybody, it's Sebastian here and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money online and how I've done it and how you can do it too. I'm going to teach you the steps so you can get an extra income source for part-time effort. So the polite thing to do now is take a moment, subscribe, hit the notification button, like this video, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we are. I'm gonna share with you my screen so you can follow all the steps. This is a simple beginner video for you to get started making money with match betting today. What I suggest you do is commit today. This is very simple. You go to the link in the description below, use that link and get yourself signed up so you can get the premium account which you would want to start making a little bit more income. There is a free version, as you can see here. It's a complete free version that will give you almost £40 as well, just signing up for that. But yeah, this is what we want. We want the premium version, and there is a link below that gives you a nice discount and you can continue. I just pay annually, so I know it's there. I use it every week anyway. So this is how it looks when you sign in to your premium account. And I'm just going to go through the simple step how this site works, how match betting works. So the dashboard is very clear, very simple. What you'll start with is the tutorials. You'll click the tutorial tab up here. It'll give you 7 free tutorials to get you started. So if you have no clue what match betting is, how this works, how to make money, well, great, because they're going to teach you everything you need to learn today and to earn, as they say here. So £73, that's what this includes. So let's go into one of these. Let's go into the first one, the second, or the first one and the 7th, just to give you a simple look. So this one takes you through OddsMonkey. The site takes you through all the steps. You read it, you follow it, and it's very, very simple. It teaches you everything. You mark as complete and you can go to the next tutorial. Okay, so you do all of those. So this was number 7 tutorial. So this is a bet type call. There's many different bets, whether you are doing casino, betting on horses, or whatever it is. And this is bet £5, get £20 free, basically. So that sounds pretty good, and it is. It makes a little video. They have a video on the site, introduction. It shows you everything you need to know. And you can literally go to the Odds Matcher tool, which is one of the tools. You can go to the different links, so it opens the site. So let's go to this one. This would be Coral. That's one of the betting sites in the UK. So you can see up here, it takes you, boom, straight to the site. Straight to the site here. A little bit slow. That's my laptop here, and yeah, the Odds Matcher tool I'll go through as well. And as you can see up here in the top, there is a tab called Tools. All of these tools you need, so you can't really do this without any of the tools. So that's why this site is so helpful. It guides you through everything. It teaches you match betting, and it gives you the links so you can go directly to Coral. Look, it opens up. It obviously, I've already used this sign up offer myself, but it takes you to the site. It takes you to the offers, and there will be a terms and condition section on all the offers, which is quite extensive, and the tutorials will literally pick out everything you need to know, so it filters out all the BS. This is one of the tools, the Odds Matcher, and this is just a great tool. This is the main tool you're going to be using. This shows you the match. It shows you when it is, what date it is. It shows you if it shows a football here, so this is a football match, or soccer maybe you can say over from US guys. And it would show a horse if it's a horse race. So there is a rating system, which means that the better rating it has, the more money you make. The coral is the bookmaker. This is where you're gonna put your bet, and then you have an exchange where you're gonna lay your bet. So just to recap, what is match betting? Match betting is basically, let's say you're betting on a horse to win. So you'll go on the bookmaker side, and you'll bet the offer is bet £20, get £10 for free. So obviously they are enticing you to spend money on their side, to spend money on betting. Okay, so we go in, we spend £20 on a specific horse on the bookmaker coral side, and if I lose, I'll make £10 back, so I only lose half of my money. If I win, great. I don't know how much you're gonna make. I mean, it depends. It might be 40, 50, 100 pounds, who knows. But it's a risk. We don't want to take risks. So we go to an exchange site as well, and we lay. So that means we are basically betting that the horse is losing, right? So in this scenario, we would go to coral, bet the horse is winning. We would go to the exchange and bet the horse is losing, and we would bet the same amount of money. So if it wins, great, we win, right? If it loses, great, we still win. So either way, we're not losing any money. There is a tiny fee to do this. There is a tiny fee to betting on the side. So what is the point? Well, we win, we lose, nothing happens. We don't lose any money. If the horse wins or loses, we don't lose money. But we still get the free bet. We still get the £10 because we went on the side and we did bet on a horse. Okay, so we just made £10 profit. And why is it profit? Because it goes straight into our pockets, because in the UK, you don't pay tax on betting sites, on betting in general. So I'm not a tax advisor here, so do your own research. And obviously it shows when it's updated the last time. So the site OddsMonkey will tell you everything you need to know. There's different tools. When you get more skilled, there's other things you can do. Another thing is the profit. You can see here, I haven't started on this site yet. I've been using another of the providers of these tools online. So I like OddsMonkey better. I think it's really simple laid out, and it's a really good way for anyone to start. And I think if I could go back, I would have started with OddsMonkey instead. Every time you make money, you just put it in here and track it. It's really, really helpful, and it just keeps track of everything for you. So then you have support, you have a community. The last thing here is all the offers. You will complete the tutorial first. Then after you complete the tutorials, we'll go to the new account offers. Again, in the beginning, is it hard to do this? First of all, is it a passive income? No, it's not passive. You have to do the work. But I would reckon I would spend normally half an hour on average per day. Sometimes I would only do it in the weekends, because that's where there's a lot of matches and you can bet more and there's better offers. But let's say you spend 2.5 to 5-6 hours a week. Well, now you're cashing in another few £100 for yourself. It's quite easy to make £400-500 extra part-time, spending a few hours a week when you know the system, and all of it here, you just follow along. And some people, they make even more. They make 1,000, but it takes a lot more time. So for most people, this is an extra thing on top of your job, on top of your studies, or maybe you study, you have a part-time job, and then you still do this. So these are the account offers that get you to know the system. It gets you to know how to match bet. And on top of that, it gives you a ton of money. Look at these. You bet 5, you get 20 in free bets. I mean, that's profit for yourself. And you add all these up, 20, 30, 40, So that's 60, that's 80, 90, 110, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, what is that, almost 200. And it just keeps going on. It keeps going on, right? 10, cash refund, 30, so that's 300 almost. And there's loads of these. So, I mean, I reckon when you complete all of these, you learn this system, it's a skill set, and at the same time, you'll make, I mean, I don't know how much it is here, but it could be 300, 400, 500 pounds just by completing these. So it guides you through everything. We go to this first one, Ladbrokes, which is one of the bookmakers where you can go and do your bets. Look, it's super simple. It tells what the offer is. Open an account, puts it down in 4 steps here. It continues how to complete the offer, 6 step, boom, 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 boom. It shows you all the tools and then what you have to do to follow up and complete and get your money out of the exchange or the odds, the bookmaker. You can open the odds matcher. It takes you directly to the game, to the offer, and that way, when you follow the system, you cannot make a mistake. It's impossible. You follow this, you do as you're told, and you cannot lose your money. You will make money and you will make profit. So the last thing I should mention is you can press discuss here. So this is on the offer. You can go to the discussion side. This will discuss the offer. You can mark this as completed, and you can also go to the community. I'll show that up here as a tab by itself. This one, when you press the discussion, it goes into more details about the offer. If there's something, you can ask questions. If you go to the community tab here, it's basically the same thing, but it brings up the different forums for you to new members, new account offers, bookmaker, new account offers, reload offers. There's loads of things you can do, loads of topics, loads of people, great community in here. And if there's something specific, you can just search for it here. Search for it, and normally it'll come up if somebody has talked about that in the past. Support, obviously, can get in touch with them. So yeah, I mean, this is all the steps, the simple steps to get started. So what I recommend, open the description, use the link, get the premium account, just do the tutorials, right? With the tutorials, you've already made your money back, I don't know, 5 times. You do the first account offers, and within, I don't know, probably within a week or something, maybe less, you can make all your money back for the whole year, and you continue to make money on a weekly basis. So this would be the first thing. If you want to get some extra money, this would be the first thing I would do if I was you, because it will be really hard to go out there. I mean, if you're working a job part-time, it's not going to pay as good as this. It's not as flexible, and you only have yourself to rely on. It gives you some good accountability, and it gives you a good community. So all of this is how you can make money online, and get started today. It really works. I'll make more videos on things that you need to avoid, things that I've done in the past, and I'll go through all of the things that you need to be aware of and how you can make even more money when you get started with match betting. So happy match betting, and I'll see you on the other side. Just before I completely leave you guys here, I wanted to mention one more tool that I've been using for many years, and it's really good with OddsMonkey, with match betting. It just helps a lot. It's a keylogger. It's called 1Password. There is a link in the description below to get you signed up for this, and use that link, support the site here so we can continue to produce the free content, and hopefully you'll be happy that you did. This I've been using for many years. Back in the days, I bought it as a software. It wasn't a subscription program. Now You just subscribe, pay a monthly amount. You take all your keys, all your emails, all your data, everything that you need, and you just put it into one password. This is especially helpful when you're using your OddsMonkey. You need emails, passwords, you need usernames for all of these bookmaker sites. There might be 10, 20, maybe 30 different sites. You put them all in. You can make a tag on your one password for match betting, and you have it all in one place. Obviously, I use it for all the passwords, all the usernames for my credit cards and addresses and all of that. You press one button, it takes you to the site, it puts in the logins, and it logs in for you. I mean, it's so easy. So it's very reliable, it's very secure, and I highly recommend switching to one password if you have had anything else that you're using, or maybe you're just using the ones that comes with your software, with your Mac. Definitely this is worth it. And yeah, that's one password. Use the link in the description below to sign up and get a little bonus while you do that. So this is worth it. Go do that, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're interested in learning more about how to achieve success in business and in life, then make sure to go check out our other videos on the channel. And the polite thing to do now is go subscribe to the channel, hit the like, hit the notification button, and make sure that you don't miss out on any of the videos coming in the future to take yourself to the next stage. Take care and take action.